Hello guys, today we are going to look at @bean annotation. @bean annotation is same as @component annotation. What is the difference between them? @bean annotation is a method level annotation and it can only be used inside the class which has @configuration annotation. So here I have created a getDataSource method and it will return a data source object, and here I have written @bean annotation, and this data source is the ID of that bean. Whenever we are going to write @bean and on top of any method, then Spring is going to create the object of that and it will be inside the IOC container of the Spring. This is data source builder. I am passing the driver class name, that is org.h2 driver, and I am passing the data source builder URL, that is jdbc h2 mem test, and username is SA and password is blank right now for it. So data source builder.build will give us the data source and we will return that data source from here. If we are going to check if this is created or not, we can check it using context.get bean definition names dot stream dot sorted dot for each, and we are going to print all the names of beans, system dot out and println. Now if I am going to run it, see, these are all the objects which are inside the IOC container of the Spring from here. So if we check, we have data source here, this one. So what is the difference? Message sender service is created by me, so I can change this class and I can write @component annotation on top of it. But data source class is not created by me. It is inside this java x.sql package. So we cannot change anything here in this one. This is the dependency that I have added. If you see my pom.xml, I have added the dependency of this h2 database and I have added the dependency of Spring Data Starter JPA. So from it I am getting that class. If I want to use @autowired data source, then I need the bean to be created by Spring. For that's why we need to write it in this way.